If your business is not showing up on Yelp, there are several reasons why this might be happening. Your business profile information may be incomplete or incorrect, which can hinder its visibility. Additionally, if you haven't verified or claimed your business profile, this can also prevent it from appearing in search results. New business listings may take some time to be indexed and incorporated into the search profile, so patience is necessary. A lack of customer reviews can also make it unlikely for your business to show up in search results. Furthermore, if your business is not correctly categorized or lacks sufficient keywords in its description, this can also affect its visibility. To resolve these issues, it's essential to fill your business profile with accurate information and ensure there are no errors. Claiming and verifying your business profile is also crucial to establish legitimacy. Encouraging employees and customers to leave positive reviews can also improve your business's visibility. Optimizing your business category listing with relevant keywords and regularly updating your profile with current information can help improve your search rankings. By taking these steps, you can increase your business's chances of showing up on Yelp and reaching a wider audience.